Are you looking for the best exercise bikes in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best exercise bikes that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more to see the more information about these products. I found these products much helpful for people like you. You can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Xterra Fitness Folding Exercise Bike. If you have limited space and are looking for a compact bike, you may want to consider this machine. Although it comes with a lightweight and foldable design, it's built with a thick and solid steel frame. It's a simple upright bike that offers basic options, including an LCD display that allows you to track your workout results, including calories, time, distance, speed, and heart rate. Some reviewers claim that the parts are easily broken and it makes loud noises. It's also too small for taller people. However, others confirm that it's sturdy, although it's lightweight. The saddle is comfortable and gives good support. It's highly recommended, especially for someone who lives in an apartment. Number 4. Pubu Indoor Exercise Bike. This is a great machine for many riders because it comes with a medium-sized flywheel that makes it not too difficult for beginners but not too easy for high-intensity workouts. It comes in a unique design with quick and easy assembly. The resistance levels are easy to adjust by just twisting the knob to increase or decrease the intensity. In case of emergency, you can easily push the same knob and the brake system will quickly activate. Moreover, it offers free replacement parts within 1 year after purchase. This bike has become a favorite for many reasons. First, most people like the outstanding design and color. It's easy to set up and doesn't require much time. The LCD display is easy to read and the device holder can keep you entertained throughout workouts. It's a compact bike, but it gives a very effective result. Number 3. Slim Cycle Stationary Bike. A 2-in-1 bike is perfect for someone who gets bored and is looking for a versatile type of exercise. The adjustable seat can be set as a recumbent bike for a low-intensity workout or upright bike for higher intensity. It comes with built-in arm resistance bands so you can also focus on upper body workouts, too. Some reviewers claim that this machine is not durable and doesn't suit taller people. But others claim that it's a perfect machine for beginners, seniors, those doing physical therapy, and people with joint problems. It's light and small, so it's easy to move around and store. Number 2. Schwinn Recumbent Bike. This is one of the best recumbent bikes equipped with many features, including your fitness result, an adjustable 3-speed fan, 20 levels of resistance, 22 preset workout programs, and a 10-year warranty. It comes with a large backrest and saddle cushion to support your lower back and bottom. It's also equipped with a seat rail slider system that allows you to adjust the sitting position to fit your height. Although it's easy to put together, some reviewers say it's not durable, and even though the warranty covered their parts, they found themselves stuck with the repair work. But other reviewers claim that it's gentle on knees and joints and suits low-impact cardio workouts. A variety of pre-programmed workouts make it very convenient for most people. It also comes with a large device holder that can hold a laptop, so most people are happy that they can work and exercise at the same time. Number 1. Magnetic Indoor Cycling Bike. This indoor cycling bike comes with magnetic resistance and 44-pound flywheel, which means it gives a smooth and silent motion but requires more of your energy. A heavy flywheel suits hill climb training and high-intensity workouts. It offers multi-hand grips with 4 different ways to adjust the seat and handlebars to suit your body size. Proper workout posture can improve your workout performance and prevent injuries. A few reviewers claim that it arrived with broken parts and it has a poorly made handlebar and seat. However, most reviewers support the claims that it's quiet, sturdy, and smooth. It's easy to set up and perfect for a spinning workout. The seat is comfortable and fits people 5 feet tall. Most people say it's a great long-term investment.